And what was the force on current carrying conductor in a magnetic field?
Conductor force applied to rotate magnetic field itself.
No. Current carrying conductor, a conductor in which current is flowing. And when you lie that current carrying conductor in a magnetic field, there will be force exerting on that conductor. There will be a force on that conductor when you lie a current carrying conductor in magnetic field. And this phenomena is very, very important for motor action. Whether it is DC motor or whether it is AC. Understand my point? Okay, another phenomena, if you know, when there is current flowing within the conductor, what is happening around that conductor? Magnetic field will be absorbing around that conductor. For example, a current I is flowing in one conductor. There will be a flux around that conductor. Double side से use the right hand where holding the left hand. Thumb rule. ये एक thumb rule भी है and another one is screw rule. Screw. Cross and dot. ये भी है cross and dot. एक है screw rule. उससे भी with the help of this screw rule we can find the direction of that flux. So whenever we lie this conductor in magnetic field, there will be force absorbing or exerting on that conductor. Now I am going to explain that how this force and why this force is exerting on this conductor. Understand my point? So look at our hair. Very, very important. North, south. Understand? And this is the conductor, for example. And for example, head is cross. What does it mean cross?
Outward direction from here.
Outward direction. Outward direction. For example, I am looking. This is the conductor current flowing in this direction. Whenever I am looking from this direction, here this will be cross. And whenever I am looking from this direction, the current will be dot. It is very, very similar to arrow. Understand? Whenever arrows goes from your side, you will look to the back of that arrow, and that back of arrow is look like cross. And whenever this arrow is approaching towards you like this, the tip of that arrow you will be see, and that is point shot. Understand my point? So, for example, here it is a conductor lying in this magnetic field, like in this position, and current is cross, means inside this white hole. So, what will be the flux around this conductor? What will be the direction? How we can find the direction of flux? Like this.
Inward.
Downward. Like this.
Yes.
So, like in this direction, clockwise. So here it is. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And now we got another magnetic field that is due to these north and south pole. So look at up here. This flux is approaching to the south pole in this manner, in this direction. Understand my point? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Are you happy with this?
Yes, yes.
Now look at over here. What will happening over here in this portion of the conductor? This upper portion.
Zero magnet.
No.
Because it is current.
In this portion, look at over here. The direction of the flux around the conductor
Yes, sir.
in the same way or same direction is the magnetic field direction flux is going. Same direction. Magnetic flux direction is this from, for example, from left to right over there. And also, look at over here the blue line. Same direction. What does it mean? Enhancing the magnetic field flux. This flux around the कंडक्टर वाला जो फ्लक्स है वो जो मेन फील्ड वाला फ्लक्स है उसको क्या कर रहा है? सपोर्ट कर रहा है, एनहेंस कर रहा है. In we are in same direction. What does it mean? We are
Give
in
more
same
power.
direction. What does it mean? We are supporting each other. Sometimes we say that we are on one page. So look at over here. What will be happening over here whenever two fluxes are enhancing each other? Now, the flux or magnetic field will be strong developed over here. Strong field will be observed over here on upper portion of that conductor. Understand my point? And what is happening over here?
Zero.
No.
Same phenomenon.
Opposite direction. Look at over here. The main flux is going in this direction from right to left, and the flux around the conductor is from right to left. So both are, making accident. Weak, not cut, they are weakening each other. जब आप एक्सीडेंट करेंगे ना तो क्या होगा? आप एक दूसरे को वीक ही करेंगे ना.
जी सर.
So what will be happening over here? What will we will be observed over here? A weak field. हाँ, अब जो है ना इसको मौका मिल गया है. ठीक है, जब आपकी कम्युनिटी में एक बंदा स्ट्रॉन्ग हो और एक बंदा वीक हो तो सब लोग कहाँ पे जो है ना जोर लगाते हैं? चाह तो जोर वर कहीं वीक का जोर वर कहीं वीक सड़ी बाजार सड़े वर. अब मतलब हम देखा ना वही चीज़ को कम सी वर्जी
That is the worst.
कमजोरी सी वर्जी ला कमजोर है now what will be happening over here the force will be absorbed on this conductor in direction of weak side force not towards the strong is strong be strong so force will be absorbed in direction of the weak side of that conductor. Understand my point? So this is the basic rule or phenomena for electrical motors action. Because in motor action we are giving some power, some current, some to that machine, and that machine is like rotating is some kind of force on that shaft or that rotor to move that rotor in one direction. Now we will use this force to make a motor which rotate the rotor in circular direction. And in this case, this conductor will be goes down until and unless the main flux is zero or not absorbing enough to force that conductor. Sidina bar uzi ya the force ni bas dona pore the force sidini ki sira uzi bas ni sona pore field de ba garan badi direction Understand my point? Now, Fahad तो कोई नहीं कहना Are you with me? Fahad
जी सर
तुम्हारा सर है कहना
यस सर
So look at our hair. Also the oval shape है तब oran पहला दिखी यहाँ तक तो आप मेरे साथ आ गए हैं ना
जी सर
अब क्या करेंगे फोर्स ऑन करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर के फिनोमेना को यूज करके हम इलेक्ट्रिकल मोटर बनाएंगे अंडरस्टैंड माय पॉइंट
यस सर
So, look at our man. Look at our man. Now look at it. For example, this is the conductor in this loop shape. Whenever the current is flowing in this direction, what will be happening over here, cross? And in this direction, the flux will be in this direction. Understand my point? And this current will be flow around this loop and approaching this point and this point and this end will be look like this. Understand my point? And the flux around this will be like empty. Understand my point? Understand my point? And now what we'll be doing with this loop, I am just putting this loop in for example, in this, no, in this, yo loop the yo line मिडल कवर को दास में आता हो को दल यो इसका line यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे in this is the road, understand?
Yes, sir.
And it is very look like when you saw this rotor, the one end will be lie over here, the another end will be lie over here. Inside this loop is ground. Understand my point? In this direction, in this diagram, understand my point? Look at over here. This is the loop. This is the rotor. I am just putting this loop in this rotor. As I explained over here, it will be look like, for example, cross. In back side it is round, and I am just like this end of conductor over here. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now what will be happening? Okay, this is the main flux due to north and south pole, you know, in this direction. Understand? Understand? Agree? And what will be happening over here, you know, a flux around this conductor, you know, in this direction. And how about this one? In this direction. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right? Okay. So what will be happening? And this, by the way, the direction of force on a conductor, on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field, that the force direction can be determined by Fleming left hand rule, whereas the thumb is, whereas the first finger is for direction of magnetic field, second finger is for the direction of current, and the thumb is for the direction of force we will observe. So for example, here it is in cross, you know, so the direction of current is this, the direction of flux in this direction. What will be the force direction of force? Downward. Understand? Yes. So the force F force will be observed downward on this half of the side of this loop whenever the current is flowing out. And how about this one? Current direction is outside the board, so over here the flux direction in this direction, current direction is this one. Understand? So how about the force? Upward. So force is upward. On this half of the this half of the loop, the force is down. On this half of the loop, the force is up. In this position. What will be happening whenever you are forcing this rotor downward on one side, upward in another side? What will be happening? It will be rotated. It will be rotated in this direction, you know. In this direction, rotation. Understand my point? just, fixing, you are just fix this shaft with bearing, this bearing. Another bearing is installed over here, and when you are forcing this rotor side, opposite side, what will be happening? You are just forcing this one, for example, downward, this one, this side is upward, like this. What will be happening? It will be rotate in circle. Understand my point?
Yes, sir.
So what will happen over here when you lie the conductors, around this rotor? For example, these are our cross. For example, these are our dot. Complete one side, strong force, downward. And another one is over here, this side, complete, upward, strong force. Understand my point?
Yes, sir.
So this is the mechanism. Understand my point?
Yes, sir.
But with relation, you are just learn in electrical machines, basics. And now you can study advanced topic in this electrical machines. Now we will study about three-phase induction machines, and synchronous machines, single-phase induction machines. I think maybe DC machine or not. In this advanced topic, I think it didn't have an DC machine portion, but if you need, I will, teach that DC portion for you people. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So, now,
Sir, 40 minutes now.
40 minutes, more than enough. So, अब मैं आप लोगों को ये बताता हूँ, थोड़ा सा इसमें एडवांस टॉपिक बता देता हूँ, and that is, so look over here. Here is kind of very simple DC machine, simple DC machine operation. It is like this. This show.